this floor, I tacked it so it didn't move.
Okay, you can
But,
see here, yeah.
If you want to take this floor out, you just lift it up a little bit and it'll slide out from under here.
Okay,
And this is tacked to here so that everything is solid.
yeah,
And the pedals all work good.
perfect.
And I'm going to make the cover now for the
heater?
Heater, it'll just slide in and then bolt up.
Okay,
These are all in now.
yeah,
Batteries are tied down. The plug-in is here. Everything works. The fuel tanks are in and hooked up.
okay,
The second battery is in here. On, off. One fuel tank there, one here.
okay. Now you were waiting on a part for your distributor. Did you
It's
get
in.
that?
It's in.
Okay,
Distributor's all in. It's ready to start. They got to put gas in the tank,
okay.
and then in both tanks, and start it.
So what's left to do here then?
Shifter. Brake is in.
Okay,
The shifter has to go in yet, and I want to tie these hoses up,
okay,
and then the angle iron. That's what I
yeah,
need you to give me hand with next.
okay. And so other than the shifter and those hoses and the angle iron and the heater, so those four things, what else you got to do?
I got one more gauge to put in.
Oh right, yeah,
And
the
wire
RPM
in.
gauge, yeah.
And then I'm gonna cut 1/4 inch plywood to finish the front end like that one side
Yeah.
is,
Okay,
and done.
okay.
A few more days.
Okay, so Dad's been hard at this all day, and still got quite a bit more to go here. But this is the one that was giving him a lot of grief, and
I had to make so much.
yeah, he had to make some stuff. As you can see, he had to fill in that gap that was cut from before, and that wasn't the. That was the previous owner to this had cut that out, so you had to fill that in and make it. And we'll show you what the blower motor heater looks like right away. So this is the blower motor heater.
Put it in place and then they can see. I have to make a frame around here
Yeah.
with 2 pipes to go to the roof off. All this little stuff is what takes so much time.
So this just gets fitted into place now. And he's just going to fit into place. This is not exact here right now. He still has to build the bracket that'll go over top of that. And that'll slide right in.
It'll slide in. I gotta take these 2 ears off
Yeah. Here is what
Yeah.
he's talking about.
on each side, and it'll be flush then.
Yeah. And this one is 32,000 BTU, I think. So it's going to be plenty warm in here. And then the hoses get connected to those brass fittings. And so yeah, Dad's already got the angle iron cut for here. And he's got to raise it up a little bit because there's not enough clearance for all the stuff. And yeah, we're going to keep on going here.